Hello, this is Jim Scott with your National Weather Forecast, bringing you the latest weather conditions from coast to coast. Let's take a look at what's happening across the country for your Tuesday, December the 16th. And sit down and have your cup of coffee this morning and join me in the weather. All right, looking at the Northeast, so looking at cold air remains locked in place with mostly cloudy skies. And northern New England may see a few snow showers towards the afternoon with highs stay in the teens and into the 20s. Now, checking out the mid Atlantic, partly to mostly cloudy with cold temperatures and breezy conditions at times. Looking at wind chills will make it feel colder, of course, when the high range is in the upper 20s to low 30s. And for the Great Lake and Midwest area, cold and blustery with lake effect snow continuing downward of the lakes. Elsewhere, mostly cloudy with the skies and a few flurries, highs in the teens and 20s. Now looking at the Ohio Valley and Tennessee Valley area, mostly cloudy and cold. A few light snow flurries are possible early in the day. Highs in the upper 20s to mid 30s. And looking at the southeast, dry conditions with a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures remain cooler than average, looking at highs in the 40s and 50s. And checking out the southern plains, partly sunny skies with chilly mornings and slightly milder temperatures during the afternoon. You're looking at highs mainly in the 40s to 50s. In central and northern plains, cold but quiet weather with mostly sunny skies. Morning lows bitterly cold this morning. Highs stay in the teens to 20s. And looking at the southwest, mostly sunny and dry with milder temperatures compared to much of the nation. You're looking at highs in the 50s to 60 degree area. And the Pacific Northwest, cloudy with periods of rain at lower elevations and snow in the Cascades, and highs mainly in the 40s. California, you're looking at mostly sunny skies statewide with cool mornings and mild afternoons. Highs range in the 50s to 60s. And we also check out Alaska. Very cold conditions continue with scattered snow showers. Sub-zero temperatures remain the common factor with your weather. Hawaii, you're looking at partly cloudy with passing trade winds, showers, highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Well, good morning, Indiana, and welcome to Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Let's look at your Indiana weather forecast and what you can expect across the Hoosier State today, from temperatures and wind chills to clouds cover and chances of rain or even snow. Yes, the snow's back in the forecast. Whether you're heading to work, school, or traveling across Indiana, I'll break down the conditions you need to know to stay prepared. Today, we're looking at sunny skies with a high near 33 degrees. Winds out of the south at 5 to 11 miles per hour. You're going to see wind gusts as high as 21 miles per hour. And tonight, mostly cloudy with a low around 29 degrees. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 24 miles per hour. And then Wednesday, partly sunny with a high near 38 degrees. Southwest winds at 5 to 9 miles per hour, becoming light. Winds could gust as high as 21 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 29 degrees. South wind at 5 to 11 miles per hour. And the wind gusts continue as high as 24 miles per hour. Now, Thursday, we have a change in the forecast. Looking at rain, highs near 49 degrees. Winds out of the south at 14 to 16 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 31 miles per hour. The chance of rain is 100%. And looking at between a half and 3/4 of an inch possible. So this will definitely get rid of any snow that's left on the ground out there. But Thursday night, chance of rain mixing with some snow after 10 p.m., then gradually ending. Mostly cloudy with a low around 18 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%, and looking at maybe a half inch of snow possible. Friday, partly sunny with a high near 25 degrees. Winds out of the west at 16 miles per hour. And then Friday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 22 degrees. Moving into your weekend forecast, looking at Saturday, partly sunny with a high near 43 degrees. Wind's going to be out of the southwest at 14 miles per hour. And Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a low around 29. So there you have your forecast for the 5-day period. And look at your forecast for Tuesday. Hey, thanks for watching Jim Scott's Weather Desk, your source for accurate, up-to-date weather information. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for your daily weather updates and stay weather aware. Thank you for watching.